with Ours Garage. In this video, I'll be unboxing the GL Racing GTR. It's, I believe, their third release of a rear-wheel drive mini racing car. It's GL Racing's newest release for their 1/28 scale racing cars. It basically consolidated both the strengths of the GL-R and the GL-GT, and they took the best features of both and they created the GTR. So according to their website, ball joints in the front suspension arm eliminate play without sacrificing smoothness. I believe it's a double wishbone suspension in the front instead of a kingpin style suspension. They have dust-proof central and rear side dampers. It's the lowest CG car that GL has reduced. It's a super wide chassis and it uses 0 offset wheels front and rear. There's a lot of option parts available, such as ride height adjustable motor mount, front anti-roll bar, aluminum steering and servo saver, and things like that. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So very nice packaging. Looks like there's like a little sleeve that is over the box itself. Next is the box. I believe most other mini cars have their boxes in the same shape. It also doubles as a carrying case if you wanted to. So everything's nicely packaged in, looks like Ziploc bags. So it looks like we have our chassis. It's carbon fiber. I won't be using this because I bought the brass chassis, but everything looks nicely countersunk. Just go ahead and open this up and take a close look. So you can see everything's countersunk on the bottom. Very nice quality, no burrs, no sharp edges or anything like that. So it looks like this is our hardware bag. So it has all the screws, shims, also gives you some Allens and O-ring for your battery mount, but you don't want to use these Allens because they're kind of cheap and probably will hurt your fingers over time. But you can see everything is nicely packaged, and they have, you know, the quantity written in the part number as well. So don't take these out until you're ready to actually build a car for each particular step. So all right, next up is our ball differential. And we have, looks like the rear pod is nicely machined. Let's take a close look at that. It's nicely anodized and all the edges are silver. So it gives, you know, that looks pretty nice. It says GL GTR right there. It's pretty cool. I'm actually very excited now that I've opened this up. I actually bought this maybe 3-4 months ago and just haven't gotten around. And these look like the front suspension pieces here. And they look like they're aluminum as well. So very nice quality. These look like our shocks and bearings are in here. So I have a bunch of bearings, but I'm gonna go ahead, I bought some ceramic bearings that I'll put in here. We got our springs. And got some stickers at the bottom. It's got all the stickers are on there. It looks like got GL Racing, GLA, GLR, GLF1, RGT, GLD. So, and in this bag we have our plastics. So it looks like everything's packed in this one bag. We've got like our shocks, center damper, and side dampers. We have our A-arms in the front. Looks like our servo posts, our steering knuckles. We got battery mounts. Looks like something for the rear pod. Our side links. Looks like our rear diffuser, servo horn, our bearing holders for the rear. Oh, it's nice that it comes with a set of pinions. Didn't realize that it would. We have some wheel nuts and rod ends in here. So there you have it. That's the unboxing. The plastic quality looks pretty nice, actually. I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the A-arms to take a closer look. They are directional, but the plastic quality looks pretty good. I was afraid that something this small, injection molding, that they would have a lot of defects and things like that, but their mold quality looks fantastic. So pretty excited to put this together. Now that I've opened it up, I'm motivated to continue this project and get it finished. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and you can follow along with the build. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.